Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. In a previous classes, what I'm telling anybody newcomer is fastly observe it here. Oracle is a database software. What is the purpose of database software? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If we want to operate this Oracle, then we are using SQL PL, SQL dynamic SQL languages. But if you want to operate a Oracle, then two-step process. One is first users are connect to the database by using a tool and then only communicate with the database. First step, already have an idea, SQL plus tool is there, default tool when we are installing our Oracle software. That settings already I told. Again, second step is communication. But before we are starting this main step, second step, compulsory users must familiar with the installation process. That is today we are starting only. Now actually side edit. Today we are telling a very easy way. Anybody without any knowledge also easily they are installing a Oracle software. Tomorrow so many environment settings are there that I will tell you. Okay, that is better. Write it. Prerequisite is for connecting to an Oracle database by using SQL plus tool. Side reading. Prerequisite is for connecting to an Oracle database by using SQL plus tool. And now slowly observe it here. How I am also, you are also interactive with the Oracle database means two-step process. This is also two-step. First step is what? Observe it here. In a step one, compulsory, we must install Oracle software. Today we are installing only, don't worry. Install Oracle software. Oracle database software. How can we install means I will tell you very easiest concept. In this installation, once you are installing a Oracle software, then automatically in this software only two things are happen. One is here SQL plus client tool is automatically created. Automatic SQL plus client tool, client, this client server teacher, no, client tool automatically created. Automatically. Again, here so many fellows doesn't have an idea. In this Oracle software, when we are installing means automatically Oracle database also created. Database means one place is reserved. Database created. Okay, this is the first step. What the second step means? Don't write it. Just observe it here. In a second step, user credentials are required. Users are interact with this database by using this tool means username, password, some security reason side, user credentials are required. User credentials. Passwords, usernames, I will tell you. And now through that one, we are connected to the server. Okay. Yeah. That theory fastly write it. Then installation practical, I will tell you. Write it. For connecting to an Oracle database. Write it. For connecting to an Oracle database with SQL plus tool. Newcomers theory write it, not a problem. For connecting to an Oracle database with SQL plus tool, first we must have the Oracle software installed. Easy. First we must have the Oracle software installed. First we must have the Oracle software installed. This includes Oracle database. This includes Oracle database and SQL plus command line tool and SQL plus command line tool and SQL plus command line tool for interacting with Oracle database. And SQL plus command line tool for interacting with Oracle database. Okay, na? Yeah. Next para, write it fastly. Mac means better to go for YouTube only. Okay, yeah. Here Mac operating system, that commands are different. Okay, write it next para. We will also need to have valid username. We will also need to have valid username and password credentials. We will also need to have valid username and password credentials for accessing the Oracle database. We will also need to have valid username and password credentials for accessing the Oracle database. These are necessary, mandatory this one, write it. These are necessary for establishing access to the data stored in Oracle database. These are necessary for establishing access to the data stored in Oracle database. These are necessary for establishing access to the data stored in Oracle database. These are necessary for establishing access to the data stored in Oracle database. Now screen observe it. Firstly write it, nothing is there, very easy. Now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose you are installing a Oracle software. How you are installing, what is that one? Today I will tell you very easiest installation process compared to any other software also. Only one step, some global database name, username, password, something only you are giving only. Remaining all the things easy. Observe it here. This is the Oracle software is there. This software you are installing means, observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software here, some usernames, I'm an employee means I'm entering a what? Some username and passwords they are giving administrator. Through that one, I'm connected to the server. Observe it. Here only in a feature SQL PL SQL languages we are using. Okay, so now like that. That languages is common. Okay, now yeah. But unfortunately, now observe it here. Whenever we are installing a what? A Oracle software, automatically this tool is there. Through this tool, some users connect to the server. What is those users also I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. But first installation process. Okay, na? Shall we start that one? Very easy. And now here, anybody not in previous classes means please refer video classes. Very easy one. And now write it side heading. Oracle 19C installation process in a Windows. Oracle 19C installation process. Now, how you are installing a Oracle 19C installation process? How you are installing Oracle software means, observe it here, screen observe it. Anybody observing or not in my system here in previous classes, I am writing a some coding. Don't worry, that is very easy. But this software, what is the software I am observing means? Observe it here. Just a screen observe it. Here, enterprise edition, something is there or not? Oh, maybe in my system I am installing enterprise edition. You are also better to prepare enterprise editions. Express editions and enterprise editions are there, better to, maybe possibilities are there, better to install enterprise edition. Suppose in your laptop already some fellows are installing a express edition, not a biggest problem, but better newcomers means better to install enterprise edition software on. Enterprise edition means always main editions, all the features it will be supported. Suppose I'm dropping a what table, for example, the tables are available in a where recycle bin. These type of things are not there in a where express edition side, new features. Suppose observe here, the recycle bin means here, oh, maybe which date I'm dropping a what those tables, what is those, all the information is available. Okay, advanced features are there, don't worry. That features are not working in a where expressions. Now observe here. Oracle 19C installation process. Observe here how you are installing means free trial softwares are there. Actually, one fellow is asking, Murali sir, do we need to pay for enterprise edition? Yes. In the olden days, 6 years, 7 years back only, we need to pay some amount into the where Oracle Corporation. Then only enterprise edition we are allowed to download free trial softwares. But nowadays, not required. Nowadays, enterprise editions also free softwares they are giving. That's why nowadays I am preferring enterprise edition. Olden days I am also preferring about express edition because no need to pay any amount to the where Oracle Corporation and we are installing express edition olden days. But nowadays, 6 or 7 years back onwards, enterprise edition software also Oracle Corporation giving. There is no problem. Okay, nowadays you are a latest programmer means no need to pay any amount for the free trial software. Original software is different. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. I will show you those all the things. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. I am opening a Google. Okay, in Explorer. Okay, observe it here. Now check it out. Here, Oracle software download Canada. I'm typing. Okay, yeah. In a site, not a problem. This in this site only very easy. Now observe here. Oracle software download. I'm typing. Otherwise, you are typing a what www.oracle.com. Whenever I'm opening a what this site, Oracle site, observe here, Oracle site. In this site only free trial softwares are there. Trial softwares, not original. But not a problem. Just whenever date is finished means then we are changing only. Okay, everyone knows. And now observe here. Double click this one. I'm opening this site. Just observe it here. Screen observe it. One time enough. Okay, observe it here. Observe here. Here, so many softwares are there. Here, database software, middlewares, Java. These all the things are there. No, here database you have to click it. Double click this one only. Open the database tab. In this database tab, here don't write it. Just a navigation is there. First observe it here. Enterprise edition is there. Okay, yeah, and expression is there. Your own wish. Which edition do you want? That one only. But I am preferring enterprise edition. Already express edition, enterprise edition differences. Already I told in a previous classes. Not a problem. You are a newcomer also without any knowledge of that one. Just better to install a what this one enterprise edition. Okay, I am preferring a what this. Now observe here. Enterprise edition I am selecting. Whenever I am selecting a what enterprise edition, observe it here. Here concentrate. Here problem. Whenever we are installing enterprise edition, here Microsoft Windows 64-bit side zip folder is there. Okay, yeah, this is a software. 2.9 GB, not a problem. Nowadays, RAM, okay, 2.25 above is there. No, yeah. Now observe it here. Now check it out. Observe it here. Whenever Oracle database 19C, Microsoft Windows 64-bit, not 32-bit. Observe it here. This zip folder we are opening means one problem is there. Olden days directly we are unzip and we are installing only. But nowadays Oracle Corporation asking a what? Oracle account. Why? Because maybe some reason is okay. So now whenever they are okay, the business improvement purpose only. Just whenever they are giving a what enterprise edition software onwards, how many members interact with the what that free trial software daily? They are counting only. Maybe business strategy that one. That's why just don't afraid that one only. Open this one. Whenever opening means this is the way it will display. Okay, na? Yeah. Now here check it out. Wait 1 minute only. Okay, just observe it. Yes. Here, sign into Oracle. This username is required. Oracle account is required. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You don't have an idea Oracle account, not a problem. Just create a new account. Registration, you have an idea, no? Yeah. Create this new account only, and that username or account name we are giving only, then installation started. Okay, no? Don't worry. Now, whenever so you are downloading a what? That software. 1 minute observe here. Yes, after downloading a what? That vocation of Oracle, Windows 64-bit DB Home, like this only. Observe here. Here, this one. This is right click and extract files. That is unzip only. Okay. Yeah. Whenever we are unzip that one only, just observe it here, screen observe here. Windows 64-bit DB Home, it will display. That folder is displayed. Don't worry. Open this one. Already I'm installing. That's why steps I'm telling. Here, setup.exe file is there. Here, setup.exe file. Very easy. Now, just open this one. Setup.exe. It will take a time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes only, but it will be starting. Now, observe. Whenever setup.exe file we are opening, then automatically process is starting. Don't worry, just it will take a time 1 or 2 minutes. Observe here, Oracle 19C database. Here automatically radio buttons are displayed in this onwards. Navigation I will tell you very easy. One time you are checking. Today you are try it. Okay, yeah, don't worry, because easy. After that one, tables, users, all the things, changing colors, I will tell you. Don't worry, 1 minute wait only. Okay, yeah. Why? Because server means a little bit of slow. Every database server also. It will take a time. Two radio buttons automatically displayed. Yes, observe here. Yes, it will be displayed about two radio buttons. Create and configure a single instance database. This option create a starter database, set up software only. But you have to choose a what? First radio button. Okay, yeah. In a second radio button is rack environment side. That is not required for you. Okay, na? The step by step, I will tell you, because those all the steps are available only in my system. 1 minute only. Steps are there. I'm taking a snapshot here of the create and configure a single instance database. These steps on first, write it this one. Oracle 19C installation process in a Windows. Just you are a first time newcomer. No? These steps note it down fastly. One time, check it out today enough. Because easy. Write it. Go to Google, Oracle software downloads. You have to type it. Otherwise, oracle.com. Database option is there. In that one, enterprise edition is there. In this one, Microsoft Windows 64-bit zip folder is there. Click that one. Step 1, write it fast. Otherwise, anybody giving a setup file means you have to ask your friend only. Setup files are there. So many fellows are in a pen drive they are installing. That is also there. But free trial software nowadays, not a problem. Finished? Oracle account name asking also, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Otherwise, nowadays YouTubes are there, nothing. Very easy. Okay, na? Link I'm giving, that link not required because very easy, no? In a Windows operating system side, this will be there. Okay, yeah. Complete fast. Next, write it. Step 2, Link not required. Step 2, write it. Download Oracle 19C. Now that zip folder, extract files, right click extract files. Step 4, this folder is automatically displayed. In that folder only setup.exe file is there, double click. Then process will be started. These steps also write it. But before these steps, compulsory Oracle account is required. Okay, yeah. That account you have to create it. Same like a registration. Some details you are giving me, enough. Complete these steps. First write it. The folder. Okay, na? Setup.exe. Everywhere setup.exe files are there. Yeah. Next, observe here. In a step 6 here, two options are there. First option, radio button is there. No, that is better to click it. Just two radio buttons are there. First one better to select it. Default that. Write it. Step 6. Complete. Yes. First write it. Nothing. Create and configure a single instance database. This option create a starter database. Set up software only. First radio button we have to select. Okay, na? Next step is after that one, next you are pressing means here desktop class and server class, two radio buttons are displayed. Observe here, this one. Desktop class and server class. Actually, whenever you are installing Oracle software in a laptops and a desktop means first one you have to choose it. Suppose you are installing a some of your software in a client server architecture. That is company side, those persons are installing a server class. That is a rack environment side, different that. But just you are only, I am only installing it in your laptops practice purpose, desktop class select. Okay, yeah. Now write it. Step 7. Easy, only one step is big step, remaining is two radio buttons are there. First one you have to select. That reading also you are understandable. desktop class and server class. You have to select it, desktop class. Next, observe here, in a Windows, whenever we are installing means, always you have to choose a what Windows user only. But unfortunately, whenever you are selecting a what Windows account means, user means, don't select a what first three. Okay, you are experienced person means Windows users, you have an idea means anything also you have to select it. But you are a first time newcomer means better to select a what use Windows built-in account, this radio button. So otherwise, you are an experienced person means any Windows user you are created and virtual account you have to select it, or existing Windows user select it, anything not a problem. But better to go for use Windows built-in account. This one select it. Write it next. Select use Windows built-in account. Better. Are you sure you want to continue means? Yes. This one right. Just Windows means this is optional. Okay. Select okay. Next. Observe it here. Observe it here. This step only main step. Actually, here screen observe it here. Here so many options are there. Here Oracle base, okay, database file location. These all the things not required to select only because you are experienced person means any location also you are installing. But default C drive automatically it will be taken. Now here only two things we are giving. Global database name, a practice purpose, one predefined database the Oracle Corporation giving. The database name SID, ORCL you are giving only. ORCL is a predefined database name in a Oracle. Okay, ORCLE, don't write it. ORCL, okay, global database name. This is a predefined. Now, here password means whenever you are installing a Oracle software, already I told no SQL plus tool is there. No, through that one you are connected to the where server is required or not. In that one, user credentials are required. In that one, just you are giving a what password. In a password ABC, confirm password ABC. Anything your own wish. But this password forgetting also not a problem. Why? Because whenever sys user is there after installation, through that one you are changing this password also. Alter user username identified by new password possible. But better to install properly first, then only you are changing. Okay. Na? Create a container database not required. You are a first time newcomer base within a container database. So many pluggable databases are there. That is you don't have an idea. That's why policy onward this extra step. Don't write it like this. So now don't select container database. Don't write it in a pluggable databases. There is different only. Okay. Yeah. Write it. Step 8. This is a big step. Write in this drop down box. Oracle base. Step 8. Drop down box. Software location. Database file location. Enterprise edition already there. Okay. Yeah. Here only ORCL you have to select it. Password, confirm password, your own wish. I am giving in that class tiger in that first initial stage. Don't select a what container database. Finished? Complete. Create container database. Don't select it. Don't give any pluggable database name. Complete. Anybody not attending previous classes means you have to ask management only video, previous class videos only. Just your observing is easily understandable. Why? Because easy. Okay, and that's why slowly I'm telling you what today. Today, at least try it installation blindly without any knowledge also, without previous class knowledge also not about. Just once practically you are starting means everyone understandable. Okay, now next observe here, observe here. After that one, just here, are you sure you want to continue means yes. Observe here, this one it will take a time, maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes. That's enough. Automatically installed. Once installation completed, some other thing is there, just some username, password, some other thing is there. That is also here. So many settings are there. Those are all the things we are learning. Don't worry. At least today you have to install it because first time newcomers are there today. That's why. This one installation, okay, 19C installation. Topics we are not starting still now, okay, yeah. SQL language is there, no, that onwards it will be starting. Once install it, then we are starting, don't worry. Are you sure you want to continue? This one, write it, yes. Okay, next, step 9, automatically installed Oracle 19C database finished. Simple, nothing is there, only ORCL you are giving and username, password, anything, okay, any password only, okay, yeah. Finished. Now once your installation finished, then we are opening a what Oracle software. Automatically it will be appeared here. Okay, here we are clicking this one, means SQL plus tool is there. Through that one, you are connecting your database. Some username, passwords are there. What is that one? Tomorrow I will tell you. That is better. Today newcomers are there. That's why. Now here once we are connecting, means here only we are operating our data, here only we are storing our data, possible or not? Yes. This is SQL language only. Through that one, here within a database, table format only, structured format only, it will be there or not? Yes. Okay, now up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow don't miss the class. Why? Because tomorrow main concept here, these all the settings are there. Okay, so now here we are changing the what environment, so many things are there, colors we are changing, those all the once installation completed, then only, okay, now yeah, your main subject we are starting only. Here something is there, how you are writing, what is DDL, DML, DCL, SQL language is there, don't worry, operating that one. Tomorrow we are completing the what installation. Today that's why small concept I am telling, because newcomers also better to try it a what that installation process. Nothing very easy. Once installation and settings completed, then we are starting practically, means everyone everything understandable. Okay, anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Anybody? Actually, one fellow is asking, Murali sir, are you provide any practice questions after completing classes every day? No. Once you are completing a sub query is a chapter is there, no? In that one, so many queries are there. In that one, now here, yes, we, okay. Suppose one fellow is asking only, Murali sir, do we have an Oracle account? It will be asking only, yes. Okay, we need to, you are creating your account, that is better. My account means that is different, okay? Yes. Very good. These are regular classes, don't worry, okay? May 9:29, some fellows are joining, no, that is tomorrow onwards, okay? Yeah, tomorrow onwards. Up to this one finished, no? Yeah. Okay, tomorrow onwards, these extension settings I am telling, and then practically we are starting, okay? Yeah. Because some fellows are joining, no? Yeah. Tomorrow onwards, don't miss the classes, okay? Anybody join today also, don't worry, okay? Yeah. Uh, practice data sets. So many people are asking, Murali sir, practicing data sets, so many queries are there, don't worry. Okay, these all so much a big subject only. Through that one, practically I'm typing means you are also practicing, don't worry. All the things you need to practice. Okay, batch only, they are creating a WhatsApp group because of some non-technical persons are there, no? Better to interact with those persons only, with the experienced persons, okay? Maybe Java, .NET, Python, those persons are little bit of knowledge is there in database. Maybe they are helping in a first, later everyone is same, okay? Yeah. But every class also, they are creating, students only creating a WhatsApp group. They are interacting because so many classes are there. Yeah, better. because up to some stage network is important, but after that one, your own way. Okay, in a net is there, all the things are there. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Utilize the knowledge. That's all. I will tell you all the things. Don't worry. Thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow we continue. Thank you. Yes, this course is enough to get job Oracle SQL developer. Yes, correct. PL SQL developer course actually this one. SQL language through also you are applying. Not a problem. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Tomorrow continue.